Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. Today, we're going to be in the courtroom of Judge Sean Perkins. He's going to be presiding over a case, over a hearing that involves a traffic violation. One of those situations where I wasn't driving, I was traveling. All right. And the guy pretty much, I believe he didn't have insurance, registration, or anything. All right. But he's been before Judge Perkins in the past, and I've also covered him on this channel in the past. All right. With that being said, let's get to this proceeding.
City of Detroit versus Contrell Grigsby, case number SP 1683392. SP 1683393, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance on the record, please. For the record, please. Mr. Grigsby.
That's been Junior.
I don't believe that's Mr. Berry. I don't believe that's necessary. I don't know, Mr. Grigsby. Do you want representation or no?
No, sir.
State your name for the record, please.
Special appearance, Contrell Grigsby.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the day and time set for a final pretrial. Where is Ms. Harris? Ms. Snyder. Ms. Snyder, are you here? Let me get Contrell Grigsby's file, please. Set for a jury trial tomorrow.
Can I ask a question?
You may.
Since the last time we spoke, you told me to just bring all my paperwork down there. I wanted to see that you received it. I had brought it down to the courtroom.
I don't really know if it's going to be necessary. I also told everybody that all parties need to appear, and as their Valenstein is here. So no, I didn't get any of your paperwork that I have at the moment. Do you have Contrell Grigsby? No. And what should I expect to see in that or read in that paperwork?
Should I brought my fee schedule down there. I made me an affidavit, conditional acceptance, and I brought a few things down there, and I had sent them. All right.
Okay.
I had last time we talked. You had gave me a lady's email address, and I also sent all the paperwork to her email address.
That's probably important. Officer Valenstein, good morning to you. Can you, we're on the record with Mr. Grigsby. Can you state your name, department and badge number, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Valenstein, Detroit Police Department, badge number 4744.
All right, very well. Today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. So we do have all the parties here. There's going to be a jury trial tomorrow. I'm imagining that trial is going to go. I would like to have Ms. Schneider here to make sure that you two agree on any jury instructions. I don't know if you've made any, if you've gone over any jury instructions and have an agreement on the jury instructions and things like that, or we'll just read the instructions as they are listed in the, if you have not. So I'm going to wait until Ms. Schneider comes in Mr. Grigsby, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Snyder. You two can have that discussion, and then we'll get you out of here. I'll wait till she comes back. We'll get you out of here after you talk to Ms. Snyder about how you two are gonna proceed, all right?
Okay, cool. Yes, sir.
All right, let's pass the matter. And that's in person tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grigsby. Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, pleplease?
Morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. The issuing officer is present.
Yes, I've already spoken with him. So have you and Mr. Grigsby spoke about procedure tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor, we did discuss it. I sent you a chat. Mr. Grigsby has not prepared jury instructions, but he does have a civil infraction along with his misdemeanors. I talked to the officer. We're going to dismiss the 2 misdemeanors. He can proceed with a formal hearing on his civil infraction.
We're not going to call a jury in for that.
Correct.
What about right now? Mr. Grigsby?
Yes, sir.
So you can either pay the 145 and then we'll close it out, or you can have a formal hearing on that. The officer's here right now on the expired.
I'm having I want to have a formal hearing for Mr. Grigsby.
All right, are you ready to proceed now, Officer Valenstein?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's on you, Officer Valenstein. You want to assist Ms. Snyder or not? I guess not.
Yes,
Go.
I'm
I'll
all
leave it
for
to you, Your Honor.
Say that again.
I'm sorry, I cut out. What was that, Miss?
I was going to say, I'll leave it to his honor.
Oh, okay.
It's up to you two. I mean, it's a civil infraction of expired plates. Go ahead, officer.
Okay. Back on February 19th, 2025 at approximately 6:29 p.m. I was doing traffic enforcement in the area of Grand River and West Grand Boulevard. I seen the silver Chevy driving southbound on Grand River. I did a traffic stop, or I ran the plate, came back that it was expired. Back on December 21st of 2024, pulled the vehicle over, conducted a traffic stop. The driver, Mr. Contrell Grigsby, stated that, there was no registration for the vehicle.
So you're saying that he admitted that there was no registration for the vehicle?
As far as I recall, yes. There was no registration to show. I mean, as far as everything else, I don't know if you want me to keep going about the insurance or the displayed license, but.
No, I don't think that's relevant now, because that's gonna be. So basically, on this date and time, you pulled the vehicle over and the vehicle, for your testimony, the vehicle did not have valid registration, and that you're saying that Mr. Grigsby told you that the vehicle did not have valid registration. Go ahead, Mr. Grigsby, if you want to say more.
Yes. According to
Let me swear you in. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Raise your right hand, please.
I want to.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
As long as I'm not giving up any of my my rights.
No, you're not giving. You're just swearing to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Okay, cool.
Say yes or no.
And as long as y'all know I'm in special appearance, yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, or nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. According to Michigan law, I'm only supposed to have my license or anything, license, registration, or insurance if I'm doing commerce, and I'm not doing anything. I was just traveling. I wasn't As I told the officer, I was traveling. I'm only supposed to have a driver's license if I'm like making money or doing anything. I wasn't in, like I told him.
Yo, where in the world are sovereign citizens getting this from? And it seems that it's even non-sovereign citizens that's starting to say this. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about that, because it's like, hearing after hearing, case after case, the argument is made that, I'm doing commerce. I mean, I wasn't doing commerce. I'm not driving, I'm traveling. And I just don't understand why they keep pushing this defense when I haven't seen it work for nobody. I've seen people get dismissals, but it was based on some other type of technicality. It had nothing to do with the fact, okay, sir, you wasn't driving, you was traveling, case dismissed. So yeah, I just don't know where they're getting this from. And I'm sure there's some type of sovereign citizen handbook out there or some type of website or something like that. But let's get back to this proceeding.
Same thing I'm telling you.
So you're not disputing the fact that you're not disputing the fact that you didn't have plates on the vehicle, proper registration for the vehicle?
I'm disputing the fact.
I'm asking you a yes or no question.
I'm asking you a question that is.
No, you don't ask questions. I ask the questions.
Well.
So is it?
Make the owners the mutual device, please.
Did you tell the officer that you didn't have any plates on the vehicle?
I don't recall what I told the officer.
Okay, well, he seems to recall very well. Is there anything further?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Michigan code. As I sent to you, I brung down there and I emailed the lady. Michigan code says that I do not need to register my vehicle. I do not need to have a license unless I'm acting in commerce, and I was not acting in commerce as I told the officer plenty of times. I'm not acting in commerce, so I don't need a license or I don't need to register anything.
All right.
Michigan.
Is that it?
Oh no. And I sent you my conditional acceptance twice. I sent you all of my paperwork.
I'll let you put it on the record. So I'll let you put it on the record. Is that it?
Yeah, I want to put all my paperwork on the record. Did you receive it?
No, I told you I didn't.
Well, I don't know how. I got the
in this case, I'm gonna tell you this, I don't have to. Find you responsible, $145. When can you pay?
I'm not paying it.
All right, bye. Have a great day, sir.
Yeah, y'all will be hearing from me. You'll be hearing from me, my boy.
$145.
It is.
I'm not your boy, all right?
You want to be.
I'm not your boy, okay? So don't say too much more, sir. I'm just saying you're free to leave. Have a very good day. All right. Officer Valentin, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, and to your staff as well. Have a great day.
You as well.
All right, y'all. So that's the end of that proceeding. Now, I could be wrong, but I think they pretty much ended everything today. Him having to pay that $145, I believe that pretty much took care of everything, because they got rid of 2 charges. And I think it was just either the not having registration or not having insurance, what he had to pay a fine on. All right. But we will find out, because I'll definitely look to see if he's going to be in trial tomorrow. All right. But I think that's the end of it. Everything was going fine until the end. You already know how Judge Perkins is. When people get slick at the end, he said something about my boy or something like that, and that was a sign of disrespect. The traveling, not driving, that argument, and we already know that doesn't work. All right, let me know in the comments what you think about that. Like I said during the proceeding, I just don't understand why people continue to use that argument. When they end up in court, I've never seen a judge go for it. So I ended up looking up Mr. Grigsby, and I realized that, or I found out that, he's been in court a lot since like 2008. He had 2 pages on the 2 pages of him going back and forth to court. And I'm not even sure if they all involve traffic violations. Anyway, I just want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. This is Carl from Sovcits and Chronicles. Catch you on the next proceeding. God bless. Peace.